Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Send and save GIFs on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Open Messages, tap, and enter a contact or tap an existing conversation. Tap. To search for a specific GIF, tap Find Images, then enter a keyword, like birthday. Tap the GIF to add it to your message. Tap to send. The 8th of January 2019.
Take our lead.
Let's get started. Create a new file folder. Open your files in Photoshop. Arrange the layer files in Photoshop. Create frames in the animation palette. Change the duration of each frame. Set the number of times that the GIF will play. Save the GIF. Test the GIF.
Take our lead.
If the hashtag image function is off, you are likely to experience GIFs not working on iPhone iOS 13 or other versions. You have to enable this function before using it. Navigate to the Settings option and then click on the Cellular tab. It should work, but in some cases you may find GIFs not loading on your phone. 5 April 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to use GIF keyboard on Android. Click on the messaging app and tap on the Compose Message option. On the keyboard that is displayed, click on the icon that says GIF at the top. This option may only appear for users operating the Gboard. Once the GIF collection is displayed, find your desired GIF and tap Send. The 13th of January 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.